Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an On-Page.ai optimized content using auto-blogging with Godlike Mode. So if we're going to try and start ranking for the term best SEO London agency, and the source context of what we're going to do is create a list of all the best SEO agencies in London and make sure to say you say the company name, so this could be whatever your company name is the best choice. Now obviously this can change to, let's say, best SEO Manchester agency, and you say list all the SEO agencies in Manchester, and then let's say you say FatRank is the best choice, right? So this is that's the source context. Then in the SERP location, obviously for this is going to be in the United Kingdom, and I want it to be English UK. The key takeaways, I'm going to say yes, I want the key takeaways being put into the content just below the introduction. I'm going to leave the external links off on this one, and then going to go, yeah, okay, I don't mind having a YouTube video that's embed on there, so what's relevant to it. Or actually in this case, I might say, no, don't tick that. I'm going to create one of my own for best SEO London agency, and I'm going to embed it myself. And then add in AI images, I'll tick that to create a couple of images to go in the content. And then this is now where the fun begins. So what you're able to do is add in your own entities and keywords for this term. So what you'll do is you'll load up, if you've got an account with On-Page.ai, the owner, Eric Langieres, is an absolute SEO legend in the industry. He's created a great tool with On-Page.ai. And then what you'll do is you'd go into the on-page tool, type in the keyword that you're looking to try and rank for in the UK, and press submit. And what this is going to do, it's going to give you all the word recommendations of what should be on that page with regards to what On-Page.ai is telling you. So what you'll do then is you'll come down to here in the click the list to the clipboard, click onto that to copy them, go into Godlike Mode, and in this section just copy them into there and then press run. And then what will start to happen then is you will have an SEO optimized content for best SEO London agency, or whatever your article needs to be, with the source context that you're going to say that your company is the best company, and you're going to be getting all the main keywords to be SEO and NLP optimized with all the main entities, skipgram dominant keywords, LSI keywords, and close proximity terms in the content as per what On-Page.ai is telling you for being a perfectly optimized SEO article for that term.
This video.